Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport, featuring the lovely Betty the assistant's dog, the Black Labby. Today we'll be picking this 8550 This Long shackle that we got from Swynndla. I'll be picking it with this little thingo set, the one I showed you the other day. Yep. Okay, so works good. That's our key, our bitting. Now this has been a really fun lock to try and practice on. Reason being is because it has spools, plus it's a really tough lock, like every time you pick it, it picks differently. And to set the pins, oh wow, you have to do some hard picking. Right, so that's why I've got this. So I don't care if I break it, but I do care if I break me Jazz Evers or me Jason Carlson. So let's go. Ready, Betty? We're ready. Okay, stop bumping the camera. Frogs are ready. I'm ready. Betty's ready. Let's do it. Okay, false set straight away after hit pin 1. Can't actually get the picking. Well, this is interesting, isn't it? Oh, that's tough. Oh, that's tough again. I think I've already bent the pick. Another false set. Sure. Trying to get the pin at the back. Already the coupling's not holding it. Look at the bend on it. I'm just outside the city in a place where I could find a park. I've had a walk around the location I'm at, and they're using Padlocks in the Lockwood 334 bodies. Very nice indeed. Good to see some decent security in a padlock used in a public location for once. Betty, it's okay. Calm. Stay calm. Yeah, it's another dog. Leave. Betty darling, leave. Good girl. Dog walked past before and you didn't woof at it. Now it walks past again and you woof at it. It's only knee-high to a grasshopper as well. You'd choke on something like that. This coupling's gone. I'm getting absolutely no feedback from this pick. Well, that was a click on a pin, or the warding. Yeah, this isn't happening with this pick. Have a look at it. Alright, let's change to some good stuff. About to lose everything. You know which one I'm going for, don't you? Me Dazzovers, my Carter handle, me strong 30, me thick one. Because you have to push down so hard on the pins to even feel them setting, or to even get them to set. Just using the bottom of the keyway a bit too much. Oh, but it doesn't matter because, alright, we have an open. Very, very happy with that. Wow, I thought it was going to take out me pick. Well, there you go. We've got ourselves an Abus 8550, and what's really nice about this lock is it says Lock Company Germany on one side in just the brass, and then the black and brass 8550 on the other side. Love this lock, love playing with it, love practicing it. This is the lock that got me back into picking after a 2-month away. Very happy with this. Thank you very much to Swynndla for handing this lock over to me so that I can enjoy it as much as other people have. Well, thank you for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.